No, you get to carve a pumpkin that has never been carved. Yes.
Is it gonna be like a normal pumpkin? Just a normal?
A foam pumpkin.
Oh.
Pardon me. Excuse me.
You're gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the video.
You just cut it?
I guess so. I actually never done this before. I've never carved a fake pumpkin before. I'm assuming you just kind of... Maybe you should draw it on first?
I guess so.
Or are you just gonna be...
Seems pretty tough. Yeah.
Maybe I should look it up on YouTube. Is it working?
No. Kind of.
Are you stabbing it?
No, you gotta make it look scarred.
Well, we're gonna do that later. I used a kitchen knife. You wanna use a kitchen knife?
No, this is fine.
There they are. You're gonna take the heat gun and we're gonna melt them.
Yes.
With protective gloves.
Yeah.
That's mine, and you can't even tell a difference. Alright, now we're gonna do this cute little guy. Don't touch it.
I'm not. I can see it. Look at that.
Go back and forth. And you're gonna move it back and forth a lot. This honestly didn't turn out the way I thought it was going to turn out. It's taking forever for them to even get squishy or melty. Honestly, this is taking a lot longer than I thought, and it's stinky, so wear your mask. For my big guy, I'm completely giving him a overhaul. Painting him from top to bottom, totally different. And I'm using the tutorial from Van Oaks. So I'll put the link in the description for that pumpkin. So I got that far done. Now I gotta finish up the eyes and a little bit of rot. Do the stem. I think he's turning out good. I think he's turning out excellent. Well, the pumpkin project is finished. That one's my son's. We had fun doing it.